Hi, kumusta? Ako nga pala si Janiel Joven C. Alfaro. Ako ay pinanganak noong January 9, 2003. And ako now is 21 years old. Some fun facts about me is I know the whole story of One Piece from start to finish. Like literal from East Blue Saga to Elbap, yung pinakabago ngayon. And pangalawa, I have vivid visions of the scenes that I want to create. May it be drawings, cinematography, or animated scenes. Nagpo-play siya sa utak ko na parang may pinapanood. And I can memorize tunes easily. Madalas ako ma-LSS. Ma-LSS. Ayun. And some basic things to know about me is I am surrounded by so many people that I love. Pero nga lang nasa malayo sila. Wala sila sa LPU. Pero andito lang naman sila sa Cavite. Kaya bira lang kami magkita. Ayan, ang mga importanteng tao sa buhay ko. Mga kaibigan ko. Family. And One Piece Straw Crew. Sila Luffy. Yeah. Kaya ako maraming friend group kasi they are friends from childhood to elementary. Tropahan sila dati pa. Itong bago lang, which is yung makikita natin nasa bottom left, yung matatanda na lahat, yung coral, is high school ko sila nakilala pero siguro 8 years na rin kami magkakaibigan. Ayun. Sila yung mga taong importante sa buhay ko that made a huge impact in my life, in my character. And I believe that to love deeply in this fleeting world is to create art and stories that outlive us, encouraging others to face life's absurd beauty with courage, connection, meaning regardless of all the bullshit. Ayun. Alam nila lahat yun. Marami na aming pinagdaan ng mga bullshit sa buhay. From my family to all of my friends. They've been there for the longest sa buhay ko. Siguro, itong friend group ko pa lang na isa, grade 4 ko pa kilala. Yung iba dyan, grade 6. Ang tagal na. Sobrang tagal na kami magkaibigan. And ang maganda lang doon is we still connect to each other up until now. My dream. My dream is to be a storyteller who creates art that inspires people to find meaning and beauty in life's struggles. I want to help others feel connected, understood, and encouraged to embrace their true selves. Through music, film, and animation, I'll share stories that reflects life's challenges, joys with optimism and compassion. Transforming yung mga what if sa buhay natin na kinakatakutan natin into even if hope, grounded in realistic optimism. Basically, ayoko maging cult leader pero hindi naman cult leader, more on someone who's full of hope. Kasi I feel like ako yung tao na yun. To the point na naging idealistic siya sometimes. And parang ayun na yung finulfill ko na role sa mga tao sa paligid ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, na I always give hope to them. In a sense, parang ganun, na pagka may problem sila, it's either ako yung kusang lalapit or sila yung kusang lumalapit sa akin. And I've connected that with my dream na I want to be an artist. Na I want to do that too. Dito sa mga mediums na to, which is, ayun nga, film, animation, and music. Ayan, as we can see here. Tapos, as an artist ako, diba? Itong next slide, artist ako. Next yung Malefico. Ayun yung artist name ko na nilikha ko. Yan. Lexam Alifico, as a multimedia storyteller and creative director, works on various projects that combine music, film, animation, and other forms of art to tell stories that inspire and connect with people. His works focuses on sharing and teaching life struggle in a way that encourages others to embrace their own self-expression and have an optimistic outlook on life. Papunta talaga sa cult leader pero ayoko maging cult leader. It's more of a teacher. Ayun yung nakikita ko sa sarili ko na if given the chance na may I be a successful filmmaker or artist, oo man o hindi, I will always find love in teaching others, in sharing knowledge with other people, in reaching out to people. Ayun. Tapos, my spiritual self, my faith. My purpose lies in creative expression and connecting with others. My beliefs make this possible kasi it's deeply rooted from Christian teachings of love and compassion and Eastern Buddhist teachings of self-preservation and seeking harmony in the face of impermanence. By staying true to my values of creativity, discipline, and authenticity, I live a fulfilling life. Practices like self-compassion, mindfulness help me manage my mental health and stay grounded. I also value the importance of connection, learning from experience, and contributing to others' growth. Ayan. Basically, ayun nga, kung hindi man ako maging teacher or filmmaker, baka maging monghe ako. Parang ganun. In a sense na there was a time na hindi ko nagustuhan yung rigidity sa faith ko, sa Catholic faith. So, somehow I find myself exploring Buddhist teachings na sa influence ng content creator na si Dr. K. He is a psychiatrist from Harvard. And hindi naman siya nagtiteach na maniwala kayo dito, hindi. Parang ino-open niya lang yung mga perspectives ng Buddhist traditions, which it really resonated with me, especially maraming mga bagay na attach ako to. And yun nga, halata naman na I give so much love to others, kaso it reaches a point na nagiging attached ako. So these beliefs, it helps me straighten my path na hindi lang siya ina-apply sa ibang tao, pati sa sarili ko, na ayun, maging okay ako sa impermanence. And ganyan, pangalawa, my political self. Pinoy ako, you know. I appreciate our collectivism, our culture, values, pakikipagkapwa, family-oriented traditions, and pagpapakumbaba shaped by Christian beliefs, which I deeply admire. Though, ayun nga, sabi ko, medyo nag-sway away ako sa Catholicism, especially sa church. Pero, regardless, is I didn't lose faith in Jesus. Yeah, minsan naki-question ko siya, pero to me, parang siya yung embodiment ng beliefs ko when it comes to love. Ayun. But what I'm most proud of is our spirit of kapit bisig, a true testament to our resilience and adaptability. Here, we can see pictures here, diba? Meron mga nagkakapit bisig doon. May bayanihan, si Lenny. Yeah. I just love being with other people. At the same time is I love the idea na magtutulungan. Basically, teamwork. Being in collaboration. I am in love with it. I love interacting with other people. Kasi ito pa, unlike other countries that I have been to, which are Indonesia, Japan, tsaka Singapore, tsaka Malaysia din. Ayun, yung mga yun. the Philippines have diverse festivals and fiestas. Wherein yung favorite part ko is kapag kakakain tayo sa mga kapitbahay. Basically, ang ibig sabihin ko lang dito is yung closeness natin sa isa't isa. Na you can find that masyado sa ibang bansa, lalo na nung sa Japan kasi they value privacy. Yeah, it's valid. Pero ang ibig sabihin ko is it kinda hinders them to interact with each other. Like katulad sa atin na we connect with people. Ayun yung something na sobrang binavalue ko sa culture natin na it's something that makes life worth it. Ganun. Tapos, my digital self. Ito na, my online persona. My online persona aligns with my ideal self because I am authentic and expressive in my digital spaces. A One Piece fan and anime fanatic. Ayun ako. Yeah. Di ko lang kung nasa autistic spectrum mo pero mahinalan ako. I love interacting with the One Piece community. Especially with all the creativity within the fandom. Like, kung it's like parang inaasar din yun eh. May inside joke na parang kulto yun. Pero hindi naman. Kumbaga, it's just that the One Piece community is so big and yung One Piece story din is so big na ang daming possibilities in terms of creativity within it. Fan arts, animations, mga drawings, mga kanta, and mga collaborations with other people, you know. Kaya sobrang para sa akin na embody nung online persona ko, ideal self ko kasi na-express ko sarili ko dun eh. Like there was a time na we just talked and talked. Kausap ko mga One Piece fan. Like iba't ibang individual yun. Different days, different times, different people. Pero once na ma-open yung One Piece, like damn, we can talk all night. Tapos ayun. Kaya ako nasabi na it embodies my ideal self. Tapos my life in a nutshell. Ano, chill guy. I live through creativity, self-compassion, and meaningful connections. Using storytelling and personal evolution to inspire others while staying true to my values and nurturing my balance in all aspects of my journey. I want to contribute stories, knowledge, and creative works that inspire growth, connection, and understanding, helping others to navigate life's complexities with hope and authenticity. Just like what One Piece did for me. Yun. Parang I want to recreate that na hindi naman recreate like gusto ko lang gayahin in a sense kung paano ako tinash ng One Piece kasi yeah, it's something so important to me na as someone who had absent parents, hindi naman sila andiyan naman sila, syempre nasa ibang bansa, wala here physically, yun yung sabihin ko na it became that so my friends are like exactly my family. Ayun yung nangyari sa akin. Kaya may pace dati na sobrang mas close pa ako sa mga friends ko kaysa sa mga kapamilya ko. Kasi hindi naman bad influences sa mga kaibigan ko. Kaya throughout this whole presentation, it is prevalent na talagang I love my friends. And parang I want to recreate that in my self-expression sa story ko na life has so much to offer na tawag dito. Gusto kong express yun through my art na there's so much in life na we can explore na pati sarili natin, we can nurture it. Like katulad nung sa Mirasol namin, sa production namin, na ayun yung source ng inspiration ko. which is from seeds to stars, na that's what I wanted always to do, na para sa sarili ko and para sa ibang tao, na we're all seeds, we're all like plants, we're our life is like a garden na we can nurture, that we can help grow things. Kasi for the last 3 years I've been growing the wrong things dahil sa depression ko and bipolar. But ayun, basically what I want to say is we have the opportunities and the chances habang buhay pa tayo na i-grow yung mga gusto nating i-grow sa sarili natin. And ginagawa ko yun sa sarili ko. And I'd like to do it to others too. Not as a savior na, hindi nga kulto, diba? Hindi kulto na, savior mo ako, ito yung gagawin mo. Like, more on, parang, gusto ko lang bigyan ng push yung ibang tao kasi, ako sa sarili ko, alam ko yun din yung ninid ko dati. Na I just needed a little push. And, I want to do that for others too. Na, to help them believe in themselves na kaya nila yan. Na, and to show and tell them na it's possible. Ayun yung gusto kong gawin sa mga story ko eh. Like One Piece, ganun. Like si Luffy. Like, Luffy is yung pinaka-idol ko talaga. Like, siya talaga. Kasi, Luffy is called the warrior of liberation. Like, the sun god na. Siya yung he is so free na lahat ng taong lapitan niya, he frees them unintentionally. Kasi he lives his life so freely to the point na na-inspire niya ibang tao sa paligid niya na i-live din yung lives nila as free as him. Ganun. And yung mga in-inspire niya mga tao and mga nilapitan niya, mga taong oppressed. And I want to do that too. In a sense na I want to connect with people and show them na life has many things to offer. Ayan. Kaya dito na po nagtatapos ang ating presentation. Sorry, 18 minutes. Shit! Ayun. And ako nga po pala ulit si Geniel Joven Alfaro. And I hope that you find hope in your life. Kahit minsan it could be dark, it could be a dark place. Bababa ka lang pero tatas ka ulit. Don't worry. Magtiwala ka lang. Bye bye.